Hello dear students. In our last class we have studied the chapter rational numbers. So today we are going to study the second chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. Chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Actually, what is linear equations? What is an equation? Let's consider one example. Okay. Anju and Anu are friends. One day, Anju told that I have 20 laddus in my bag. How many laddus? 20. That time, Anu told, I won't tell how many laddus. I also have laddus in my bag. But I won't tell. But I can tell total there are 100 laddus. Total, how many laddus are there? 100. That is, dear children, Anju told that there are 20, but Anu is not ready to tell. That is, we don't know how many laddus Anu has. That is the unknown thing. To represent unknown thing in mathematics, we can use some variables. Okay, that is how many laddus Anu has. We don't know. That's why we are representing that by a variable x. Now we can tell there are x number of laddus with Anu. Okay. If so, we can write total number of laddus 100. So we can write 20 plus x equal to 100. Total means we have to add both. That means how many laddus Anju has and how many laddus Anu has. While adding both, we will get 100. Now what we can write? 20 plus x equal to 100. 20 plus x equal to 100. Now it is a condition. That is, when we add both, we will get 100. That is a condition. Not only that one, dear children, here you can see a number and a mathematical operation and a variable and an equal to sign. That is very important, an equal to sign, a number. So we can tell it is an algebraic equation. It is an algebraic equation. That is 20 plus x equal to 100 is an algebraic equation. Why algebraic? It contains variable x. Why it is an equation? It contains an equal sign. Okay, so it is an equation. Not only that one, dear children, here we used only one variable. Which is that one? X. So this is an equation in one variable. This is an equation in one variable. Not only that one, dear children, here what is the power or exponent of x? X is the variable, only one variable. What is its exponent? 1. We can't see there, but if didn't write anything means that is actually 1 is there. So, yeah, this is an equation with power 1. So, this equation is known as linear equation. Equation having power 1, that is known as linear equation. In next year, next time you will study different type of equation like that. Okay. Yes. Now we can write some examples of linear equation. 2 plus x equal to minus 3. X minus 2 equal to 10. Not only x, you can consider any other variable. Z minus 3 by 2 equal to 7. These all are examples of linear equations. You can write nothing more, dear children. Only you have to consider the variable with the exponent 1. That much only. You can write any y minus 6 by 2 equal to 1. One more. T plus 3 equal to negative 13. These all are examples of linear equations. An equal to sign is there, and not only that one, exponent of the variable is 1. Okay. Now, in this chapter, we have to study if a linear equation is there, what is the value of that variable? Value. That means in the first example, 20 plus x equal to 100. Yeah, this is the first linear equation we considered. This is a linear equation in Ex. Then we know one value is there. Only one value will satisfy this equation. Okay, one value. This is so simple. We know that 20 plus 80 equal to 100. 20 plus 80 equal to 100. That is why what we can tell x. What is the value of x? X equal to 80. That is x equal to 80. Instead of 80, if you substitute any other value, it won't satisfy. That is, we won't get the answer 100. So, only one value, that is x equal to 80. That x equal to 80 is known as the solution. What we can call, that is the solution of the equation. X equal to 80 is the solution of the equation. What we did here, we solved the equation. We solved the equation 20 plus x equal to 100, and we got the solution x equal to 80. Okay, so solving equation. Next part of this chapter is solving linear equations. Solving linear equations with variable on one side and numbers on another side. In all the example we consider so. Variable in one side and number in other side. Yeah, solving linear equations. For that one, we can consider if x plus 3 equal to 100. This equal to symbol divides this x plus 3 and 100 in two sides. Then this side is in the left side. So this is LHS, left hand side. Then this part is RHS. LHS and RHS. Okay, dear children. LHS should be equal to RHS. We have to find the value of the variable such a way that LHS should be equal to RHS. If both are not equal, that is not the correct solution. Yeah. That means we have to find the value of the variable such a way that LHS should be equal to RHS. Yeah. Now we can study how to solve the equations, linear equations. Yes. Equation number 1. X plus 5 equal to 25. Yeah, you are the beginner, so I considered very simple examples. Without doing most of, you know what is the value of x. Okay. Anyway, if you have to do different type of problem, we have to understand what is the correct step of doing this problem. Yes, here x is a variable, then an operation, mathematical operation plus, and a number 5, another number 25. Okay, dear children, first step is transposing numbers to RHS. Yeah, LHS contains two terms. One is x, one is number 5. To solve this type of problem, what we have to do means, we have to remain variable on one side, numbers on other side. So, here x is the variable, let it be here in LHS. I am not changing x to RHS. Let it be in LHS itself. Now what I am going to do means I am changing or transposing 5. This 5 to, now 5 is in LHS. I am transposing this 5 to RHS. Okay. Our aim is to find the value of x, or I am going to solve it. For that one, variable should be in one side, other all the numbers should be in other side. So that changing or transposing, we have to transpose. So x is in LHS already there, that's why no change for x, same x. Now I have to transpose this 5, not only 5, plus 5 to RHS. For that one, dear children, first of all, in RHS 25 already there, 25 already in RHS, no need of any change, that is same 25. We have to change this plus 5 from RHS to LHS, or the other word is transpose. I have to transpose. While transposing one variable or numbers from one side to other side, its sign will be changed. Now it is plus 5. While transposing from LHS to RHS, it will be minus 5. Plus 5, while transposing, it will be minus 5. So x equal to 25 minus 5 equal to 20. So x equal to 20 is the solution of the equation. S plus 5 equal to 25. Okay. Yeah, one more problem. Y minus 6 equal to 9. Yes. Now y minus 6 is in LHS, 9 is in RHS. We have to solve it, or we have to find the value of y. So y in LHS, no change for that. 9 already in RHS, so no change. Our aim is to write variable in one side and numbers in another side. So y already in LHS, no need to change that one. Next, I have to change or transpose this negative minus 6 to RHS. Now minus 6 is in LHS. While considering the numbers, you have to consider its symbol also. I have to transpose minus 6 to RHS. Minus 6 while transposing, there will be a change for the sign, that is 9 plus 6. Minus 6 becomes plus 6. So y equal to 9 plus 6 equal to 15. Okay. Dear children, if you got the answer, you can check it whether it is correct. Substitute y equal to 15 there in the given equation. That is 15 minus 6. What is 15 minus 6? Same 9 we are getting. So that is correct. Okay. Now we understood that while transposing, plus become minus, minus becomes plus. While transposing from LHS to RHS, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Same way, if we transpose RHS from RHS to LHS, same changes have to happen. This symbol, minus should be plus, plus should be minus. Okay, one side to another side, that only. If we are changing, transposing one side to another side, its symbol should change. Next example I am considering 2x equal to minus 3. Actually 2x means what? 2 into x. 2 into x equal to minus 3. Okay, 2 into means here multiplying, in multiplication. I have to find the value of x only. Then x, yes, in LHS, no change for that. But here minus 3 in RHS. Now we have to change. I told that if it is addition, it will be subtraction. If it is subtraction, it will be addition. While transposing, minus plus means it's operation. Okay. Same way here the multiplication. Multiplication while transposing to RHS, what it will be? It will be division. Here 2 into y multiplication. Multiplication while transposing it will be division. So x equal to minus 3 by 2 means we can write like this. X equal to minus 3 by 2. We can check it whether it is correct. Correct or not. 2x equal to minus 3. Then I am giving the value of x, what we got? Minus 3. What is 2 into minus 3 by 2? 2 get cancelled. Yeah, we are getting the same answer, minus 3. 2x equal to minus 3. So dear children, while again I am telling, while transposing, addition should change to subtraction, subtraction to addition, multiplication, division. Then one more example. X by 4 equal to 1. Division. X by 4 means x divided by 4 equal to 1. Okay. That is x divided. Then we have to find the value of x. X equal to. That is in LHS, no change. 1 already in RHS. Then here division. Division will change to multiplication. That is x equal to 1 into 4. Division will become what? Multiplication. So x equal to 4. Okay, we can check. X by 4 equal to 1. That's the given equation. I am giving what we got now, x equal to 4. So 4 by 4 is equal to same one. So dear children, first of all we have to understand while transposing from LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS, what are the changes? Addition becomes which one? Subtraction. Same way subtraction becomes addition. Multiplication becomes division. Division becomes multiplication. These are the things you have to understand first. Addition becomes subtraction. Subtraction becomes addition. Multiplication becomes division. Division becomes which one? Multiplication. Okay, dear children. I think from these all the problem you got some idea how to do this. Next question, if it is so. 3x plus 2 equal to 5. How will you do? 3x plus 2 equal to 5. I told that while doing this type of problem, first variable should be in one side. We have to transpose other whole number to another side. But here, listen, its LHS is 3x plus 2. LHS. Then RHS 5. Yes, LHS part. Then LHS contains two terms, 3x and 2. Yeah, dear children. To solve this one, as I told, variable should be in one side. But here, variable means x. But not only x, that term contains 3 and x, two factors. So, like the other all the problem, we can't remain x only here. With x, there will be 3. Okay, that term. Not only if there with the variable, if there any number in the first step, there the total term should be there. Not only the variable. 3x equal to 5. Then transpose 2. That is plus 2. Addition becomes minus 2. So what is 5 minus 2? 3. 3x equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Is it? Again I am telling dear children, first step is to transpose all the numbers to other side or variable in one side and numbers in other side. Variable means if that variable with a number and a coefficient or a number also numerical factor is there, you have to remain that term itself there, term first. Not only the variable, that term, total term. Then transpose all the numbers to other side. then you will get an equation. Next part you can do yourself. Okay, 3x equal to 3. If 3x equal to 3, now we got a simple equation. 3x equal to 3. So, x equal to what, dear children? 3x means 3x equal to 3. 3x, that means no symbol means that is into is there. 3 into x equal to 3. So, x equal to 3 by 3 equal to 1. Now, we got x equal to 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. Okay. Yes. Yeah, dear children, next problem. 5x minus 7 equal to 3. Yes. 5x minus 7. Yeah. LHS, RHS. We have to find the value of x only. So, what we have to do? Yes. We have to write the term with a variable in LHS. That is 5x is 7. 3 minus 7 is plus 7. So, 3 plus 7 equal to 10. 5x equal to 10. Then if 5x equal to 10 means what is x? 5x means 5 into x. X equal to 10 by 5 equal to 2. X equal to 2. It's okay, dear children. All of you understood? I think so. Now we can do so many problems like this. Okay, ready? Okay, dear children.